the road all broke down. Who do you think was a standing around? But the famous country singer alive. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't get your sweet and picky fingers all covered with Earl. Cause you're honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Well, I hear you had an adventurous youth, making love in a telephone booth, and I even hear you did a little stretch in jail. But Merle, you got a big ranch house in the barn, 8 or 9 or 10 of them fancy cars, and every other weekend check coming in the mail. Oh, well, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Merle. Cause you're honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Come on, pick something, Joey. I hear it all this record you're doing, making fun of us long-haired kids, and now you know I don't care what you think. Merle, if you're gonna call the world your home, you know you're gonna have to get out and get stoned, and it's better with a joint than with a drink. That's right, I think. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Merle. Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle, you got soul. I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Well, I'll fix your flat tire, Merle. Don't you get your sweet country picking fingers all covered with Earl. Cause you're a honky, I know, and Merle,